Hello, this is Boots Hacker with another unboxing. This is a power adapter for iPod data power cable USB. Price is $1.92. Free shipping, of course, deal extreme. Duh. SKU is 34. Okay, that's short. That's the first one I've ever seen that short. Okay, I always pre-open everything just to make sure everything's there. I got this one because it's retractable and everything, and the one I got, the thing got bad. So first thing I noticed, it's not bad. It looks pretty big. The adapters and everything, according to the official iPod cable, it's actually pretty dang big and thick. It's not the thin crap. But that's not the wire though. That's what I'm afraid of. And this is the first time Deal Extreme ever shipped me something in a Ziploc bag like this. I don't know if it's because they lost the bag or what it is. Okay, apparently it locks. The cable is not a round, skinny one like you'll think. It's a flat one with 3 wires. And apparently it locks. It's not that, it might not be that thin. Compared to the round one, it's probably the same. It's not the same, it's flat, but yet it's wider. So it might be the same amount of wire. It does have a locking feature, so that might be a good thing. The question is, would it fit in the iPod? Ah, my hand. And the question is, the answer is, yeah. I'm having a hard time. Yeah, it fits. It's a tight fit, but it fits, and it's not going to move. See, I'm not even holding it up by the thing. So yeah, this would be good for a person on the go. I'm going to give this a 5 out of 5. Because I've already tested it on the computer and it works pretty well. So pick this up. You enjoy it. And that's Boots Hackers out.